Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I just wanted to come on here real quick and have a little project share with you. This is a mini Memdex that is from Anna, who has a shop. It's called My Crafting World Designs. I think I shared the link with you in a previous video, but I will add the information in the description box below. I just want to share this quick little Memdex card that I made and show you what I did with it, because you would see like it's got the scalloped edge, it's got the stitching detail, and you also get these tabs that are included with the Memdex card, right? So this is what I came up with just to make it a little different. I didn't decorate this one yet, but I did do the scallop edge, and I did a pocket style. So you can see here, I just took 2 layers, put them the white sides together and die cutted those 2. And I just glued the edges here, here, and on the bottom. So instead of having my information on the back of this Memdex card here, you know, I put it in the pocket. So this piece I used the inside layer with the stitch details, and I took a rectangle of paper, folded that in, made a little fold there like that. I put it through the die cutting machine. I lined up the folded edge right above where you cut out where the notches start, and then I cut that out. When you do that, it gives you like a little card, fold out card, and then you can add your information this way. Okay, so I made the insert and put that in here behind the layering piece. I used one of the tabs. This is what the other 2 look like. One is a heart shape, and then one is this little fancy finished edge, and I just cut out 2 so you could put one on the front and the back, so the back side is finished. Excuse me. On this layering piece on the front side, I used some foam, some of that Michael's scrap foam that I have collected just from my cutoffs, and raised the layering piece just enough. Added one of the tabs, because you get the 4 tabs, 4 styles of tabs. And you can use that on other projects too. It doesn't have to be just the Memdex card. And it gave me this. So the papers that I'm using is from Wild Heart. And the reason I'm using it is because I'm going to make one more Memdex card to stick into a swap that I'm participating in. This is for a swap. This little Trapper Keeper. And the Memdex card is not a requirement for this swap, but you see this side pocket here. It's an opportunity to add your Memdex card, you know, just like that, which is what I'm going to do, and add it to my little Trapper Keeper right there. And I love how it's the same paper that you have on the pocket, the same paper that I have for the dashboard right here. And yeah, so I just thought that would be a fun way to share my information as far as my swap goes. Okay, let's see. I'm not finished with this because I still got to put some stickers on there. I'm going to use stickers to decorate mine, and then I'm also going to add a little printout. Maybe might just handwrite it. I don't know. But this is also paper from the same collection. It's just a black and white stripe. Put that in there with my info. Actually, I think I could go ahead and add my sticker. Guys, I just made this sticker with my Cricut. Although when I made it, this was a long time ago, I did not know how to align my Cricut blade. So it was off alignment when I made these stickers. So that's why I have to hand cut it now. It did cut it. It's just not cut properly. And so I'm just going to cut around And it doesn't even matter, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is a vinyl, printable vinyl that I picked up on Amazon. And I'm gonna put this maybe over here. So when they open it up, at least they can see. This will be the front of the card, and they open that up. Oh, maybe, let me see. Maybe I'll put it upside down. How about I'll just put it there? There we go. And look at that. Because it's gonna go in this way and into my mini Memdex card. I thought that was cute. Okay, so another thing I will do is decorate this. I could do that right now with you. Okay guys, so I pulled some stickers from my stash. And this one has some girls in some tropical, which I am loving. And I also, so this one is from Hobby Lobby. This one is from Dollar Tree. And I love both of them. So I'm going to have to use them both. Oh, come on. If it comes out. So let's do this real quick. I do like these. Oh, I'm not a flamingo girl, but the tropical part of these stickers I do love. So I do love this one. Stand tall. I'm not going to press it down just yet. And then the girl, which girl do I want? I like her skirt. It's got the little banana palm leaves. I think I like her. Yeah, I like her. But I'm going to take off the foam part. I don't need foam on here. I'm trying to make it as flat as possible, as much as possible. So let's see. And I'm also trying not to, oh, I guess I could stick it down now. I'm also trying not to go outside of the border, which I always do. I'm very notorious for doing that. I think I like her too. Yeah, I'm gonna take off the foam. It comes with foam in the back. It's really good sticky foam because it doesn't want to come off. Trying to make this a quick video. Okay. Do like that very much. So now, got to be careful. Be careful. It's acetate, so I don't know if I could use hot glue on it. It might crinkle up. At least with this, it'll dry clear. And look at her with her glasses and her shopping bag, which won't even show in the end because it's going behind. I do love her little attitude she's got going on. Okay, that's not bad. Let's make sure she's straight up and down. All right, I'm gonna leave that alone. I'm gonna add some flowers to them. Dress it up a little bit. Cause I'm a tropical girl. Love it. Okay. I'll put the info on the card. Excuse me. Off camera. Sorry, guys. There we go. I do like that. That's so cute. So this is only one card. And, you know, I thought that would be adorable. You don't really need to see me die cut these things, do you? I think by now a lot of our friends know how to use it. But that's what I'm going to use on the same. I'm going to make a second one. And then I need a little sticker here. It says about me. I'm probably going to have to use my computer and create a little cutout. Put that about me right there. And then add my name, my info, all that good stuff. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go check out Anna's shop. I will leave the link down below to her website, mycraftingworlddesigns.com, and also her YouTube, Instagram links will be in the description box below. And if you ever use her dies, you guys, you can be featured as a guest designer. If you use the hashtag mycraftingworlddesigns, it'll probably give you an opportunity for her to like check out your crafty skills, I guess, and you might win. I mean, I don't know, she might do a random pick of people who are using her hashtag right there, hashtag mycraftingworlddesigns, and you might be a lucky winner. So I hope you all enjoyed this little quick video, and I'll see you all on the next one. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and then hit the notification bell just so you know when I upload new videos or when I go live on my channel. So please, please, please join our little crafty family, and you won't be disappointed. We have so much fun. I say we because I go live with several ladies in the YouTube, Instagram world. So if you're looking for something just to keep you entertained while you're at work, driving home, taking care of the babies, you know, coming back from getting them from school, we'll be here. I will be here, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.